The scene opens with a bustling airport terminal at night, highlighting a montage of airplanes taking off against a starry sky, all set to upbeat, catchy music. We then cut to the host, who is standing in front of a departure board displaying late-night flights. With a warm smile, the host welcomes viewers back to the channel, promising the best tips and tricks for smart travel and big savings. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, the host teases a special focus on red-eye flights, hinting at incredible discounts that can make your next trip more affordable. So, prepare to buckle up and unlock some amazing deals. The scene shifts to a split screen, showing a map with flight paths and the host sitting at a cozy desk with a laptop open. The host, full of energy, begins discussing red-eye flights, those late-night or early morning flights that might seem daunting but offer hidden perks for savvy travelers. Addressing the primary question of why to choose a red-eye flight, the host explains that these flights often cost less because they're less popular, allowing flexible travelers to snag fantastic deals while also saving on a night's accommodation. A graphic with tip 1, be flexible with dates appears, and the host narrates over it, emphasizing the importance of flexibility with travel dates. Red-eye flights are generally cheaper on weekdays, so tweaking your schedule might land you a bargain. Returning to the host, we receive a pro tip, setting up fare alerts on travel websites or apps to get notified when prices drop. We then cut to the host browsing a travel app on a smartphone, highlighting the utility of flight comparison sites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak, which make it easier to find the lowest fares for red-eye flights. Back at the desk, the host advises viewers to book quickly once a good deal is found, as prices can fluctuate. A graphic with tip 2, choose your seat wisely follows. The host narrates the importance of selecting a comfortable seat for overnight flights, suggesting a window seat for sleepers and an exit row for those needing extra legroom. Demonstrating how to select a seat on a flight booking website, the host reminds viewers that many airlines offer this feature during booking, which can greatly enhance their travel experience. Additionally, a travel pillow and noise-canceling headphones are recommended for added comfort on these flights. The next graphic, tip 3, pack smart, prompts the host to discuss essential items for overnight travel. Packing a toothbrush, toothpaste, small blanket, and eye mask in your carry-on can significantly improve your experience. The host, seen packing a small carry-on bag, also suggests bringing a refillable water bottle, as staying hydrated is crucial on long flights, and many airports have water stations for refills. For entertainment, downloading movies, shows, or podcasts beforehand is advised, as Wi-Fi may not always be available. The final graphic, tip 4, check airline policies, has the host narrating the importance of checking airline policies, as some airlines offer complimentary upgrades or discounts for red-eye flights. A quick visit to their website or a call to customer service can reveal unexpected perks. For those in airline loyalty programs, using points could result in a business class upgrade at a fraction of the usual cost. With a close-up of the smiling host, we wrap up with excitement and encouragement. Red-eye flights, while not everyone's first choice, can become a savvy, money-saving option when these tips are applied. The scene transitions to a montage of beautiful sunrise views from airplane windows, with soft, inspiring music playing. As the host delivers a voiceover, they express gratitude for viewers joining today, hoping the tips will unlock amazing red-eye flight discounts and maximize travel budgets. Viewers are encouraged to like the video, subscribe for more travel hacks, and share their red-eye flight experiences in the comments. The video concludes with the host standing in front of a departure board, waving goodbye, and wishing everyone safe travels and happy exploring. The scene fades out to the channel's logo with upbeat music playing.